Good morning, children. Welcome to our class. Hope you all are good. Very good. In previous class, we have learned about longitudes. Okay, what are longitudes? Longitudes are vertical imaginary lines. Very good. Where the longitudes meet? The longitudes meet at the poles. Very good. How longitudes are measured? Longitudes are measured 0 degree and up to 180 degrees. Very good. Now, the 0 degree longitude is called 0 degree longitude is called prime meridian. Very good. The prime meridian divides the earth into eastern and western hemispheres. Next, and I have some questions also. The dash divides the earth into northern and southern hemisphere. What is that? Equator. Very good. Next, the dash divides the earth into eastern and western hemispheres. Eastern and western hemispheres. What is that? Longitudes. Oh, very good. Next, see page number 5. See the map here. Observe the map here. Okay, did you observe this? See, now I am reading the question here. Observe the map given in figure 2. Name the city that lies at 24 degree north and 91 degree east respectively. Observe this map. Which city lies 24 degrees north and 91 degrees east? Which city? Okay, very good. 24 degree north and 91 degrees west. The city is Agartala. And you can do the activity by using this, by observing this map. So it will be easy for you. Okay. Next, I didn't reveal the answer of yesterday's activity. Only 3 students have sent me the answers. If you all send the answers, then I reveal the answer. Okay. Very good. Next, see page number 6. Page number 6. Already you have labeled the parts using magic box. Okay. Already you have labeled this. Next, see page number 7. Observe the picture here. See, observe the picture here. Okay, listen. Observe the position of earth and sun in the given image. Shade the parts that experience night time. Okay, observe. Then coming to the lesson. At any given time, different parts of earth experiences different parts of day and night. Okay. See, this is our earth. See, this is our earth. And in different times, the earth observes day and night. Different parts. Okay. Now we are in afternoon section, and in some other places it will be evening, and some other places it will be morning, and in some other places it will be night. Okay. When one part experience morning, the other part experience noon and night respectively. Now just now I told you. Now we are in afternoon time, and in other parts there will be evening, and in other parts it will be midnight. Okay. How does this happen? How does this happen? We are experiencing noon time, and how others can experience different times. See, earth rotates from east to west. Hence, the sun appears to rise in the east and sets in the west. See, earth rotates from east to west. So, Earth rotates from east to west. So first in eastern part they will experience the sunrise, and sun rises at east and sets at west. Countries like Japan and Australia that are in the easternmost part of earth experiences the sunrise first. Now only I told you who are living in eastern parts, so first they will experience the sunrise. Okay, cities like Japan and Australia, countries like Japan and Australia, first they will experience the sunlight. Okay, next, India and other countries in Asia experience sunrise later. Countries like Japan and Australia first experience their sunlight, and India and other countries in Asia experience later. Okay, countries in North and South America experience the sunrise much later. Countries in North America and South America experience the sunrise much later, so much later. Now only I told you. Now we are in afternoon time. In North America and South America they will be in midnight. Okay. See. By then the sun is already setting in Japan. Okay. When the sun rises in North America and South America, by the time that in Japan the sun will be setting. Setting means it is set now, setting. Sun sets there. Okay. This is why time is calculated differently across the world. Why? This is why the time is calculated differently. See, now we are in noon, they are in evening, like that. So throughout the world the time will be calculated differently in every place in every part in the country. Okay, not country, every part in the world. Okay, longitudes help in measuring time at a place as the earth rotates from west to east. Okay, longitudes help us to measure the time in different places because earth rotates west to east. Okay, now see the page number 8 here. See the page number 8. Observe this table. Just this is a question for you. Observe this table. Okay. The second one-day international cricket match between India and England was played on January 8 at the Sydney Cricket Ground, Sydney. The live telecast of the match in Sydney, Mumbai and London began as follows. Okay, the second one-day match for India and England will start in Sydney on January 18th. Okay, in Sydney Cricket Ground. It will telecast in India, Sydney and London. Okay, see the table there. City or country, date of telecast, place of telecast, time of telecast, sorry. City or country, Sydney, Australia, date 18th, 2:30 p.m. Then the time is 2:30 p.m. Mumbai, India, January 18th, 8:50 a.m. 8:50 a.m. In India it is morning time. London, UK, January 18th, 3:30 a.m. 3:30 a.m. means early hours. Okay, early hours of the day. They will start cricket match at 3:30 a.m. and in India they will start 8:30. 8:50 a.m. in India, and in Australia they will start afternoon 2:30 p.m. In India morning 8:50 a.m. and in London early hours of the day 3:20 a.m. Okay. Now see the question here. Why do you think that live telecast was scheduled at different times in the mentioned cities? Okay, why do you think different timings in different cities? Why they mentioned that? Can you answer? Okay, very good. Listen. Earth rotates from west to east. Countries that are in the easternmost parts of Earth experiences the sunrise first. The places mentioned in the table lie on different longitudes, hence the different time of telecast is in each place. Okay, the different time of telecast in each place. Why? The Earth rotates from west to east, and these cities are in different lay in the different on the world. They lay different parts in the world, so the timings also in different ways. Okay, any doubts? Okay, this is your class for today. I'll share you the homework in Google Classroom. Okay children, bye, have a nice day.